Hey everybody, good morning. Holly Rocks here. I just wanted to say hi, and I just wanted to point out that I feel like this got away from me this morning. It's a lot. It's a big one. It's a big one. It is. Let's do a little hair check here. This is what happens when, can you all see it? This is what happens when you don't want to take a shower because you know you're going to go work at the haunted house tonight. All this is going to be, and so I just tease it up, do a little twisty-roo, and there you go. This is what you get. This is what you get. Yep. So anyway, I feel like absolute shit. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. Like, it's fucking storming. It is storming. Like, hello. Hey, are we open tonight? Yep. Rain or shine. Let me just say this, patrons. Y'all gotta be some hard-ass people wanting to be scared to come out in this kind of shit right here. I'm sitting in my car. We open, like, right now. I'm not even in costume because I'm just like, this is insane. Okay, well, here we go. Let's see how many people come through.
I heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go. I heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go.
In the scene shit. Well, I just went in the fucking scariest thing fucking ever. And it just so happens to be the porta potties. Now I smell like piss. So try taking a freaking piss in this elaborate ass costume. I'm sure you other people that do haunted houses can relate that when it's time to go to the bathroom, it's really fucking hard. So, yeah, I try to squat in a freaking porta potty and pretty much I piss myself. So what's the point? I might as well just pee on myself because what's the point of that? So anyway, yeah, there's people here and it's raining. Doesn't matter. You don't want to be scared. So I'm going to get back in there smelling like pee. That adds to my mystique. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. That was just some little bits I did and put together from a rain night. So other haunters, I don't know what you do on rain nights, but when we have people that are coming through and there's a lot of gaps between, I like to just have fun with my camera and just have a good time. So rainy nights can still be awesome and scary. The area that I was in that particular night of the video you just saw, that was when I was still dressed up as a nun. And unfortunately, it being an outdoor area, we're just getting rained on. So it did, though, add to, like, the horror of it because, you know, people are walking through and they're having to walk through puddles and stuff. And I was able to have, like, a black umbrella that kind of added to it. But let me tell you, by the time I got home, everything was just drenched and soaked, but you know, we pushed through, wound up actually having a good turnout that night. So if you guys have not checked out New Orleans Nightmare, y'all need to do it. It's definitely worth the money, definitely worth the experience. Super great time. Everybody that comes through, hands down, is thumbs up, 5 spooky people rating. Well, this looks like 10. So 5 spooky people rating. You know, it's a great time. So check out New Orleans Nightmare. I'm going to add a link to tickets. They're open all the way through November 2nd. And then they open again for Krampus. Hello. So anyway, yeah. Thank you so much, 13th Floor Productions, for letting me film around your haunt. I've been abiding by the rules and not filming inside. I know there's a big social media rule. So I've been very respectful of that. Y'all be very proud of me, even though you don't know me. So thank you, 13th Floor Productions, for letting me film inside of New Orleans Nightmare. And thank you to the amazing staff at New Orleans Nightmare. Ashley, Sandy, Spencer, Darko, Gage, Chelsea. Y'all are all amazing managers and zone leads. I really appreciate you guys. This season has been a pretty much roller coaster for me, and y'all really are just great. You're great at what you do. You're very, very welcoming. I love you guys so much. And yeah, for people that have not been there yet, you're really missing out on something that is worth the money. It is such a great experience. So I'll see you guys around. Thanks again, like I said, for watching. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you later.